What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to open Mercury bank account for non-US residents. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly open an account here in Mercury Bank? Well, the great thing about Mercury Bank here is it automatically detects if your account or if you're eligible in creating an account. So they automatically detect your IP address here and see where you're actually from. So in this case, in order for you to see if you can actually create an account here for Mercury Bank, you first need to go to your official website, which is going to be mercury.com. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go and click on the open account at the top right of your screen, or the open account that you see here at the center of your screen. Let's go and click on open account. Now from here, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and just provide some details. Let's go and provide our first name and our last name here and click on start application. Now it will ask you for your work email as well as the password that you want to use for your account. Let's go and provide those details. Now from here, you want to go and click on next, and it's going to tell you if Mercury is currently available in your country. So in this case, in my case, it's not available right now. So Mercury isn't available in the Philippines just yet. So it automatically detects if I'm or my current account, or in this case, the account I'm going to create is eligible for Mercury. Now, in this case, if you're in another country and this is what you're getting, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to open an account. But if it actually redirects you to another page, which in this case, it's going to ask you further questions, you should be able to start creating your account. But then again, it has some restrictions here, so the services may not be available in your country yet. But you could also email them on the following email address here, just in case if you have any questions and things that you could actually do for you to create your account. Just in case if, like, for example, you're a US resident, or in this case in another country, which in this case you think Mercury is available, you can contact them via email here and see what they could do for you. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.